Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
MapSource now loads both vector and tiled raster maps for clearer detail. The updated software supports 1:50,000 scale maps and high-resolution tiles. You can toggle online versus offline sources directly from the top menu. Switching sources takes 3 clicks and preserves your viewport and zoom level. Saved routes export in GPX format with coordinates in decimal degrees by default. AutoSync stores recent maps locally for faster access when offline. Keyboard shortcuts let you pan, zoom, and measure distances quickly. Begin creating a route by selecting the Place Waypoint tool from the toolbar. Click sequentially on the map to add points and form a route line. You can adjust any route leg by dragging points and snapping them to roads or trails. Use the elevation profile to refine climbs and descents for more accurate planning. When editing, the software preserves timestamps and elevation metadata automatically. Export your finished route as GPX or KML for device upload or sharing with teammates. Open advanced tools to access measuring, grid overlays, and tile caching settings. Use the measure tool to calculate straight line distances in meters or feet instantly. Enable grid overlays to show latitude and longitude lines every 0.5 degrees for precise navigation. Configure tile caching and set AutoSync to store up to 500 MB of map tiles for offline use. Adjust rendering options to balance detail against memory, choosing lower tile quality for older hardware. Export printed maps at a 4 or 8.5 by 11-inch sizes with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.